All right, you guys, we got another unboxing. Should be a bunch of silver and a little bit of gold. It's from AppMex, like usual. Feels real heavy, so. All right. Let's see what we got here. One roll of silver. Two rolls, so that's 41 ounce rounds of silver, and they're all the same. They're the AppMex 1 ounce silver buffaloes. So I already have some of these, but they're I don't know, I really like this coin, and they're on sale. They've been on sale lately, so I'm getting them at a real good price, especially if you buy more, because I think it's like an AppMex. It's if you buy over 20, I think, or over 19, then you get like a break on the price, and then if you buy over like 50 and then 100, I think it is something like that. This tape is no joke. Oh, there she is. It's a really nice coin. I'll just pull one out and show you, since they're all the same. I mean, what's not to like about that? I mean, that's a little bit of dust on there, it looks like. I don't know. Saying it's pretty nice. So yeah, I don't know. I use this kind of as like a future investment type of deal. So when prices go down a little bit, I actually see that as an opportunity instead of, like instead of, oh, my silver went down. I think of it as like, hey, I can buy a whole bunch more now for cheaper. So anyway, so there's one of my rolls there. And here's the other one. As I said, they're the same, so just gonna make sure I have them all. Yeah. Yep. All right. So that's that. And then I usually don't buy this, but the coin looks so gorgeous, I just had to get one. Wow, it's like the size of a dime. It's crazy looking. Anyway, look. Check that bad boy out. If it focuses ever. Come on. Anyway, this is a gold Philharmonic from the, there we go, from the Austrian Mint. That's gorgeous. But anyway, this is 1/10 of an ounce. And it's like the exact same size as a dime, basically. Like, I mean, it might be a tiny bit thicker than a dime. I don't know. It's pretty much the same exact size as a dime. But there's the back of it. That looks fantastic. Come on, camera. Huh. Oh, I almost had it. There we go. Yeah, so it's gorgeous. And then, of course, I bought one of these to put this in. So, just to protect it, it was like $1, I think, from Atmix. And it looks like the package was damaged a tiny bit, but I look at this and the actual holder looks totally fine, so we're good. But yeah, so anyway, so I got that. So basically 40 ounces of silver and 1 gold Philharmonic from Austria, 1/10 of an ounce of gold. So yeah, keep stacking.